If you want to change your wallpaper on iPad, actually you can change the wallpaper on two places. First one, settings, scroll down, wallpaper, here add new wallpaper. Here also you can change, or make sure you unlock the iPad home screen, then swipe down here, long press and swipe left, click this plus. Here also you can change the wallpaper. You just scroll down and select the default wallpaper you would like. I just select this. Here you can change the color or filter. So click add, and if you want to customize home screen, click this, and you can blur it out like this, and that's it. If you tap, it's changed. Here you can see. So in case if you want to add a custom image, means same, just click this plus, photos, and select the image and change the filter and add, customize home screen and click photo. Here change the photo, edit that and click done. That's it. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.